So here guys, I have my beef. I already washed that one with salt and vinegar, and then now we're marinated with salt and pepper. So here we will fry that one before I'm putting it to in our crock pot to make it soft. Yeah, and then we will divide into three because we are two only will eat, three or just two, and so that another recipe is different. We are only two will eat this one, so I will divide. Okay. Actually, this beef is the one with the bones, so we can use the soup of that. If we want soup, then we will add the soup. If we want like what do you call that? The beef stew, with a little soup. So we only use the meat and some soup. Like me, I like to do a noodle soup, so I can add a soup from this beef. Yeah, so different recipe we can do by doing what I will do now. Like I buy this one from Montreal. I think I will do a recipe with this one and the beef, half of that and this. Yeah, but I need um to make a beef not hard to eat also. That's why I'm putting it in the crock pot after frying. So this one, yeah, because this one usually when I was little in Philippines we cook fresh jackfruit and with the shrimp or pork, but now I'm using with beef. Okay, this one is with the bones, so when you're putting it in the crock pot you can use the soup to another recipe. Like me, I like noodle soup, so it's really good like that. So we're now cooking in a crock pot. Actually, this one will do two recipe. Yeah, we're putting water. That one will be fine. Okay. I really like this crock pot, guys. It's really saves the time how we were setting it up. Like we have bell pepper, celery, carrot, garlic, onion, the coconut milk, green jackfruit. This one red beans because we are reducing to eat carbs like potato. This one salted shrimp, only this one flavoring, and the soy sauce, so onion and garlic. So this is what inside in the can, guys. I will put the light. Yeah, it's off-white, the jackfruit, and our red beans. I already rinsed this one and washed, and as you can see our can is really clean. It's rinsed because this here in our place this will go in a recycling area, so they will recycle that one, so we really wash everything that goes to recycle. So everything is ready now. Our beef cook 6 minutes left and we can start right that after. So this jackfruit, guys, in can there's a heart. The heart of this, actually in the Philippines we're throwing this one, so I'm removing this and throwing it. Okay, that's it. I don't include that one because that one gives different taste, so we're not including that one in this recipe like what we're doing in the Philippines. I already cut that one, guys, only that. Imagine that's the oil from the beef that we're frying left, so I will remove some and continue frying uh, the garlic and onion. So now, guys, the onion is already caramelized there. We're adding our garlic. We don't burn the garlic there. And after that, we're adding our shrimp paste. That's fine for the garlic. Now I'm adding the shrimp paste. That's it. here's our beef here. Okay, it's done already. So we're adding our beef. That's it. Our beef. That's really nice, yummy now. And then all of that vegetables, the red beans, and our jackfruit is there. I think I will add some more broth, beef broth. Yeah, I will add some, just a little, just enough to cook the carne. So here guys, there's our beef. So we will use that one for another recipe with the broth. Yeah. So here are, yeah, it's cooked already. The water is, the liquid is already reduced. Okay. So we're adding now our coconut milk, and that's it. That's coconut milk. And we will off it once. So it's creamy. If you want to have this one like curry, you can put curry powder. So I'm not cooking the really. I will add some sesame oil. So I'm adding a sesame oil and a bit of soy sauce. Just a bit, because it's not that salty, and then we taste if it's correct already. So finally guys, I decide to add some powder of garam masala and curry powder. Okay, and we will mix. It's more yummy like that, like the Indian cuisine. Wow. So now I will eat. If you want spicy, then you can add chili powder. Only that I'm eating guys. But if I want to eat with bread, I can eat that one with pita bread. Take some beef. And it's ready. Really so creamy. So it's good enough for one day. Then another recipe for tomorrow of the beef left. What a good meal guys. So thank you guys for watching. I will eat now this with jackfruit and beans beef recipe. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. And yeah.